So welcome to Off Grid with Dave and Kelly. It's Friday afternoon here. We've seen our first hummingbird is coming to our feeder, so that's exciting. But today I'm gonna attempt to put in a water filtration system from our pond so that we can bring in water for dishes and showers and that stuff. We'll use our other catchment system for our drinking water, which goes through charcoal filters and everything. But this is a pond. I dug it this spring. It's about 6 feet deep or so. As you can see, it's pretty muddy looking yet, but this is an attempt. I'm not sure if it's going to work or not. I'm hoping it will. I'm going to put a catchment system in here with stone, and then it'll go through the stone first, and then charcoal, and then to the pump. And then at that point we'll see what it's like once we get it to the house. If it still needs more filtering, then we'll add some more filters to it at our trailer at this point, until we can get moved into the house. So hopefully it works. We're gonna give it a try and see what happens. So what I've got here is a big plastic garbage can. That's going to be my main system or catchment, whatever you want to call it. I've got about 1.5 foot base of stone in here right now for it to sit on, and I got to drill a hole in the bottom for my water line to feed up in through. And then I'll have to feed it through another pipe or another system that we have inside there. So there it is, coming through my main garbage can and into my second one. Now what I'll do is I'll fill this around here with stone again, and then, which I still don't have yet, is a piece of 4-inch pipe that my pump will fit inside to. Now this pump is a 12 volt for off-grid deep well pump. So what I have is I've got 200-watt solar panels, and I have two 12-volt deep cycle batteries, and hopefully that'll supply me with water year-round. I'm hoping that I can keep it so that it doesn't freeze. I've got it buried. My only concern is the pressure switch and where I have to put that, because it has to be relatively close to the pump itself. But when I get it figured out, I'll let you know what I'm going to do with it. So I got all my stone in, as you can see here. I'm pretty well right up here. This is the inside of it. Now, I'm not completely finished yet. This can is going to fit inside there. This can here will fit inside that black can. I still have to drill holes in the sides of this, the same as I did with everything else. And then I'm going to have a 4-inch pipe inside this one, and that'll house my my pump. and then I'll have real fine holes in that, and then around that I'm gonna have my charcoal inside this. So it goes through all the stone, through everything, and then it goes through the charcoal. Water filters into this, has to go through the charcoal into my 4-inch pipe that houses the pump, and then hopefully when it comes out it should be nice and clear and should be good. Good enough for showers and washing your hands and that kind of thing. We'll use it for the garden and all that. So I'll leave that till a second video, and I'll get everything hooked up, and we'll try it out. I'm gonna put a pump out here at the garden, or a hose, sorry, not a pump, but I will put a hose bib out here so that Kelly can water the garden and everything. I'll have access for water for my sawmill and everything, and then we're gonna run a line. Basically I have to clear stuff out of here, and I'm gonna run a line over to our house that we're building, and then we'll do a temporary line to the trailer, so that hopefully we won't have to run to the brook anymore to get water. But it's about 170 feet or so to the house. I got 300 feet of hose or of line. Eventually, when I put up a shop, I want to have water inside the shop. We'll want to have water inside the barn. Those lines I'll be able to blow out. I'm going to put sunk down shut off out here, but I'll show you when I go to do that. So for now, subscribe, hit the like button, and stay tuned for the next video, part 2. Bye for now.